guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be filming a back to school makeup tutorial. I actually can't believe school is back next week. This summer has gone so quick, but I have enjoyed my summer, but I'm also very looking forward to going back to college because I can see my friends again and I can also see the teachers that I've missed seeing, so I'm very excited. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, carry on watching the video and don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support and let's get straight into the video. First makeup product I'm going to be using is my highlighter, and I'm going to be using the pink shade. So I do like to put highlighter on before foundation now because it makes my skin more glowy and my highlighter does pop. And I put it on my cheekbones, on my nose, above my eyebrows and on my lips. The next product I'm going to be using is my Kiko Milano foundation in Neutral 100, and I'm going to be using my silicone blender, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face, but I don't use too much foundation for college. And I'm using my my Hello Kitty mirror. Sorry about that, guys, I just had a little tickle in my throat, but yeah, I'll just apply this all over my face. Product I'm going to be using is my Collection concealer in the lightest shade possible, number 1, and I apply this using triangles underneath my eyes, and I do this on both my eyes. I can't live without concealer, I've got to use it. And then I put a bit on my nose and on the bridge of my nose, and then I will put a bit underneath my nose and a bit on my chin. So yeah. Makeup product I'm moving on to is my contour palette by NYX, and I'm using a medium brown, and I will contour my cheekbones and I will contour my forehead and pretty much my whole face. Dancing with your silhouette in the places that we've been. Ooh, product I'm going to be using is the eyeshadow chocolate palette, and I'm going to be using a very light brown, and it's got a little bit of pink in it, and this is so good and natural for college because I don't like to wear heavy makeup for college. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to be using my brown mascara from Primark. A lot of people have been asking me, how do I get my eyelashes this good? I just use this mascara and it makes my eyelashes super thick. To finish off my whole makeup for back to school, I'm going to be using my MUA lipstick in Totally Nude. This is such a really cute colour, and I wore this a lot last year for college, and this is a perfect colour for if you're going to school, college, yeah.
Dancing with your silhouette in the places that we've been. Ooh, trying to find you in the moon.
So that's the end of my video. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support again. Sorry I keep repeating it, but I am so grateful for all your support. It does mean the whole world to me. And I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye!